Have you ever wondered how to buy a domain name cheap? If so, you're in the right place. The process is straightforward, simple, and we're going to walk through it together. Imagine this: you have an idea, a brand, a business just waiting to be launched. The first step in making that dream a reality is securing your online real estate, your domain. Step 1 in our journey is to brainstorm your domain. This is the URL that people will type into their browsers to find your website. It's important that it's relevant to your brand, easy to remember, and simple to spell. Once you've figured out what you want your domain to be, step 2 is to check its availability. Head over to Namecheap's website, type in your desired domain, and see if it's up for grabs. If it is, fantastic. If not, don't fret. Try tweaking it a bit or consider other domain extensions. Step 3 is the actual purchasing of your domain. Add your chosen domain to your cart and proceed to checkout. Remember, the cost of a domain can vary greatly depending on its popularity or the extension you choose. After you've filled out your billing information, you'll move on to step 4, setting up your domain. Namecheap will walk you through the process of connecting your domain to your website. It's as easy as following the prompts. Finally, step 5 is to manage your domain. Namecheap provides a dashboard where you can manage your domain settings, renew your domain, or even buy more domains. So, to recap, brainstorm your domain, check its availability, purchase your domain, set it up, and manage it. 5 simple steps to owning your piece of the internet. But remember, buying a domain is just the first step. It's what you do with it that counts. So, go forth, build your brand, and make your mark on the World Wide Web. The only limit is your imagination. Thanks for joining us on this journey. We hope this guide proves helpful in your quest to buy a domain Namecheap. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars.